Hi guys, in front of me is HTC U24 Pro, and let me show you how to boot developer options. So at first open the settings, then find and select About Phone. Now you need to locate build number. So it's over here, tap on it 7 times. And as you can see, from now on you are a developer. Once you have some screen lock pattern, pin code, passcode, whatever, you will have to provide it after tapping 7 times. But then it's working all the same, so you have to go back, enter system, and as you can see, developer options appeared right here. So now just scroll, pick the option that you want to use, smoothly manage your device, and that's it. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.